In this video, we will cover how to convert your products to FBA or Fulfilled by Amazon. Cover three specific things in this video. How to activate FBA for your Amazon selling account. You must enroll before you convert a product. We'll walk through on converting a product to FBA inside Seller Central. We'll do a live walkthrough on that. And also how to identify which products have been converted to FBA once those are converted. So let's go ahead and head over to Seller Central. Once you log in, you're going to hover your mouse over the settings button on the top right, and then head over to account info. On the left hand side under your services, you're going to go ahead and click manage. And you'll see a radio button here for fulfillment by Amazon. Go ahead and click that button, click register. Once you're done, you should see that you are signed up for Fulfillment by Amazon. That's your first step. The next step is to convert the actual product over to Fulfillment by Amazon. So what you'll do is you'll head over to your Seller Central, hover above Inventory, click Manage Inventory. And that's what this screen looks like. For the specific example, I have a book, The Night Before Christmas, that will convert over to FBA. What you'll do is highlight this little box or check this box. You'll notice that this gray box above it activates, and there's a button, Change to Fulfilled by Amazon. That's one way to do it. The other way is next to this edit, you'll see this little box with two little arrows. If you click that, you also have the option to change to Fulfilled by Amazon. Since we have this box checked, we'll go ahead and do it the first way. Takes you to this screen, and it will show you two options, convert only or convert and send inventory. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to convert it over to FBA. We will not send the inventory. That'll be in a different video. So we're going to go ahead and click convert only. Once you convert, sometimes Amazon requires some additional information about that product. You'll see that here. I'll go ahead and click that button. It's a book, so it does not have a battery, so we'll click no on that. And product regulation, is the product considered dangerous, good, or hazardous material? It's a book, so no. We'll go ahead and do that. Submit. You'll see that it's completed. You're going to click save and continue. And now you have converted that product over to FBA. Now, there's two ways to check and look at all of your FBA items. Way one is if you hover above the inventory tab up here, you can click the Manage FBA button or FBA inventory. And you can see all of your products that will be in here. The product that I just converted will show up here momentarily. It's usually about less than a minute before it shows up here. So it'll be here. The other way to do it is if you're in the Manage Inventory screen itself, there's a radio dial to filter just Fulfilled by Amazon, and you can see it popped up here. And that would show you all your items in your or that are converted to FBA. So that covers all the video. If you have any questions specifically how to do this for your account, go ahead and reach out to support@fbauniversity.co. Drop us an email there, or head over to the website fbauniversity.co. In our next video, we'll go ahead and show you how to send inventory for your first shipment directly to Amazon.